Right, so I thought I'd show you this. So this is an E11 note. Excuse me, sorry. The K12 MICRAs do the same. So the wiring loom comes from your tailgate into the car. The wires end up looking something like that. Obviously, tailgate wasn't opening, rear wipers not working due to them. So what you have to do, put your seats down, pull your parcel shelf off. You've got to unpop your rear interior tailgate fascia or whatever you want to call it, trim panel. You need to pull that off, and then you'll be presented with that white cap. You need to get that off, and in there, camera will focus. See it there? That little triangle shaped thing there that you can see, that moves across. See if I can wedge that in there and show you. That moves across to open your door up. So you need to do that to get in. Once you've done that, so what I like doing with these, some people do them differently to me, but this is how I like to do it. So you can reuse that. Obviously you're going to need to get to the wires, and the only way to do that is to cut this and then piece it up with black insulation tape, so it doesn't look too much out of place. You're not going to notice it if you're not looking for it. But I usually cut down the back side of that grommet, so then it will fit back in and it's locked into place, so it looks as factory as possible. Also gives you a bit more room to get the wiring. So there's different ways of doing this. You can pull your interior panel out and redo the wiring all the way through, but if you notice, all the wires are white. I know they're faded yellow now, but they are all white. So there is a trick to piecing these up. So you can either replace your loom in there and run complete new wiring and get rid of the slack, so there's no joins here. But I've done joins here in the past and I've not really had an issue with them. They've not come back. So the way you can tell is more so common sense with these, is where you get yellow fading into the wire. So that one's white, that centre one's white, so centre to centre. That one is that, just with the way the break is to join the wires. And you'll also notice that some of the wires have silver traces on, so if you were to look at that wire all the way down, you'll see two silver traces. So that's just broke on the silver trace, and the silver trace is above, so that wires to that. And obviously that one's starting to split anyway, so I'll repair that. What I usually do is add a bit of wire in, so rather than it being tight, it's got manoeuvrability with it. I usually prefer soldering these because it's constantly being moved. So we're going to use heat shrink. So I'm going to burr these back and start soldering, and I'll bring you back. So I know I didn't show you me soldering and all that, but it's easy enough. But yeah, that's what it's like once it's done. So you can hear that now. And one working rear wiper. That's all done. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you like the video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And click the bell notifications to be notified when I put out new videos. So yeah, thanks for watching.